Let's move on to the next one. That is NGO. Let's start. NGO, we have planning of the NGO audit, program or what audit program you will make, and receipt of income. We have three parts in this. Let's do it one by one. Planning of NGO audit, we had done the village road story. You must have written the village road story. Let's do it one by one area. Okay, NGO. Let's start. First, you go to a village and you see two walls there. There you see the NGO being there. NGO gate you can see and the two walls. First wall has mission and vision. Second wall has all the laws written that are applicable to the NGO. We have FCRA, Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, Income Tax Act, Societies Registration Act, or any rules framed there under. Okay. In our story, what happens is you read this, then you knock at the gate. And at the gate, when you knock, um, you there's the watchman who opens the gate and you ask that person that I want to check the NGO. He says no, because NGO is a private organization. So he says it tells you about the legal form of the NGO. Then it tells you, sorry, I cannot ask you to go inside because, and he quotes the entire MOA, AOA rules and regulations. This is what we had done. After that, you build a bond with him because you are my student. He was also a student, so you build a bond by singing the songs. So he gives you the permission to go and meet the person at the reception, and you go to the reception and ask for something called as, see this, Om Pro Fubu, the top right corner, Om Pro Fubu. What was this? Organization charts, manuals, project and program guidelines, funding agencies, budgetary policies. This is Om Pro Fubu. When you check these areas, what happens is after that the lady to whom you tell, she does 1 minute and she gets the report. So there is 1 minute means minutes of meeting and she gets the report. So that is basically reports and other communications. After that, you have the next area that is in relation to, after she gets the reports, she doubts whether you know all these things or not. So you tell her, don't worry, I am a CA Inter student. I know the accounting system, procedures, internal control, internal checks. And after that, you do your checking work. While checking work, you see that there are a lot of things that have crossed the materiality benchmark and it is risky. So in that case, you go and inform her that these problems are there. Because you inform her about the problem, she calls you an expert, because of which you get wings. Wings in Hindi is called par. That is, we call it as previous audit report. This is basically what we had done. Easy. Next is, what is the audit program of NGOs? Very simple. We had done this pairing. 6 times 6 pairs are there. So I hope you remember. It was like this. Please here. Corpus fund, earmark fund. You will check. You will check the reserve balance, project or agency balance. You will check the loans. You will check the fixed assets. You will check the in investment inventories, cash, bank, establishment expenses, program and project expenses. These are the things you are checking basically. Last area was a very simple one. That is, sir, what is the receipt of income of an NGO? So we did this area. If you remember, in this we saw receipt of income. First is, the NGO can get contribution and grants. It can conduct fundraising programs and get money from very rich people who give donations. So that is receipts from fundraising programs. Next, membership fees. People who want to become member of NGO, they can pay membership fees on a regular basis. It can be annual or lifetime membership fees. Next is, NGO can release its own magazines, circulars, periodicals, some booklet they can release. With that, they will earn some money, that is subscription, or they can invest their money in FD or shares and they can earn. If they're invested in FD, interest. If they have invested in shares, then they will earn dividends. This is what we had done in the class. Okay. The three questions regarding NGO, which are very, very important. Other things in the NGO are also there, but I told you just to read it, read through. I think you have written there, read only. Okay.